So we have the question, how much money invested 4% annually, compounded continuously, in order to end up with $20,000 at the end of 6 years? Right? So what can you tell me about the information you have, which is, let's not worry about the $20,000, let's worry about 4% compounded continuously. What does that tell us?
So
Keeps
if
on
it's
going.
compound continuously, then it would be 0.04T.
Yep. It means your principal function P of t is your P naught e to the negative 0.04t, because you have to know, and you don't know the details of why. I've talked a little bit about them, but it's a little bit beyond the scope of what I expect people in general to be able to do in this course. If you know the connection, and you could if you've looked at it closely enough, then it's even easier, but I don't expect everybody to know the connection. But the basic thing is that your principal function for continuous compounding is this. Okay? And this is your t equals 0 amount. We could regard that as your initial amount, and r is the interest rate. Okay? So we have to know this. This is just a basic fundamental principle that we can't live without. Okay? Then we just have to know that, well, if we got 4% annual interest compounded continuously, we don't have to read any further. We already know we put a 0.04 in for R. Okay? Now we don't know what the initial principal is. That's what we're trying to find out, right? How much do we need to invest? That's your initial principal. We don't know. What do we know?
T.
We do know that after 6 years, we should have $20,000, right? So see if you can write an equation that expresses that.